YouTube channel. Sorry guys that I have been forget because until this year I started at my school. Then I'm not sure of this house. So let's wait and empty. I'm so bad at sharing, I don't know. So let's see what's the word here. Okay. So this is the Explorer, I see that. So guys, I use my old account, name is Sarah. So, oh my gosh. What? Okay, that's my old account, name is Sarah. So I have reached 63,000. Then I suddenly deleted it. So I miss it. Okay, she's green. Okay. So my effort today is like an account. Okay, so I have a account here. This is my outfit. But something missing. Ears. Oh my gosh. No tail. Oh. So that's fine. Oh, I'm mad. I'm not doing this. No. I'm bad at murder. So, 3 minutes okay for me. So, if I'm getting mad, it's so laggy. If I'm getting mad, so, this is so laggy, oh my gosh. I don't want to be married. This sexy. Yeah, I got this set. So, everyone. Just so many videos here. Oh my gosh, I love you guys. I love you guys. Yeah, you videos here. So, okay, so let's. Oh, innocent. Oh my gosh, let me in. Let me in. Okay. Let's go to here. There's a princess. What we can get this. I'm beginning here. Hey. The Sherry, where is she? Okay. Here's the maid. Scared. Okay. Where is she? I'm not at work for you, so scary. Hey. Oh my gosh, I'm not a maid. You can jump. I can't do jokes. Okay. I can do jokes if I have a computer PC. Okay. So, where's the maid? I think they destroyed it. The maid. This is my first time getting microphone here. So, guys, thanks for watching and comment your user to give away Robux, ED and 100 Robux. At this December, I will buy Robux